In this video, I will show you how we can use PDFix Desktop to test files, remediate them, and validate them again, all from the dashboard view. Now, to be clear, we did look at these files so that we could build a template to specify things such as tagging, heading levels, tagging the tables, and so on, as well as to establish the reading order. But with that template created, I can simply use it for all of these documents, and I don't need to open every file individually to remediate and validate them. With these documents loaded in PDFix, first I'll just select them and run a validation so that we can see how these documents are. I can see that 3 of them are tagged, but 1 is untagged, so I'm already expecting some failures. In the dashboard view, I've got the files, but also now that I've run my validation, I have my validation results that I can easily see right from the dashboard. I can see the basic categories of issues that have come up, and I can open folders to see more specific details about the problems. And I can even open up those folders of issues to see which documents have the problems that have been mentioned. From here, I could run a number of actions to remediate these documents, or I could just auto-tag them and then run subsequent validations and so on to fix them up. In this case, that's what I'm going to do. So I'll go ahead, make sure that these 3 files are selected, and then I'll simply choose AutoTag. Now, to be clear, there's other actions that we can do. AutoTag will simply auto-tag the document. Make accessible, for example, is a sequence of actions or a series of actions including tagging the document, but also addressing things like metadata and so on and so forth. But a lot of that can also be addressed in the template. So it's really up to you as far as how you want to solve the individual issues or the issues in your documents. For this example, I'll go ahead and hit AutoTag and bring up the AutoTag dialog box. I'll go ahead and put my remediated my remediated documents into a new folder. I'll just call it rem for remediated. And then I'm going to take off the output file extension. And in the tagging, I'm going to go ahead and overwrite the tags that are in some of these documents already with the tags that I'm going to use from my template. I've already got my template loaded in PDFix, so then I'll just go ahead and run this action. My new tagged output documents are being created, and I can see now that they are all tagged. I can go ahead and select these. I can run another validation and see how we did with the template. And then if there are any other remaining issues, which in this case there's one for setting the PDF UA identifier for some of these documents, in fact for all of them. So then from here I could just, again, I'll make sure that my remediated documents are selected, and then I could run an action, for example, to set the PDF UA identifier, or I can also just run that action right from the dashboard itself. I can select the magic wand to fix the error. I'll go ahead and put output at the end of the file name this time, so that I know which ones are my finalized documents. My action is to set the PDF UA identifier, so I'll go ahead and run that. We'll have our final output documents, and I can go ahead and validate these and see how we did. These documents are all passing PDF UA, and I'm all set, good to go.